How does mantra do chitta shuddhi? Purifies us. We have two types of qualities in us: Daivi Sampatti or Asuri Sampatti. Divine qualities are called Shama, Dama, Titiksha, Uparati, Shraddha, Samadhana, Mumukshatva. Divine qualities. Asuri Sampatti or demonic qualities are Kama, Krodha, Mada, Matsara, Moha, Lobha. These are called Asuri Sampatti. Daivi Sampatti and Asuri Sampatti are two types of nature of human beings. So when we say, I am working, predominantly these Sampatti, these are the qualities which will work through you, work. The divine qualities or demonic qualities. If you are angry, demonic quality has come into forefront. Asuri Sampatti. So there is no individual doer as such. We are the sakshi of what's happening between the Devi and Asuris. You can think of like this. In nature, there are two forces: force of construction and force of destruction. They call it Deva and Asura, Devi and Asuri. So now Devi and Asuri forces. Devi Sampati is constructive forces and Asuri Sampati is destructive forces. They both are required. Both balance are required in nature. You call it positive energy, negative energy, whatever you call. Finally, there's a balance between these forces in nature. In that sense, God is not a doer. The Prakriti nature operates through these forces called Daivi and Asuri Sampatti. Daiva and Asura. So Sri Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Prakritehe kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasha. Ahankara vimudatma kartahamiti manyate. The nature alone is the doer. Then what is God or Ishvara does? Ishvara blesses the nature by his presence. Just like sun blesses the earth by his presence. The trees grow, plants grow, animals survive. All those things happen because of what we call as presence of sun. Ishvara's presence blesses the Prakriti and Prakriti does everything. Nature. What is nature? Space, wind, fire, water and earth, 5 elements. Kam mano buddhirevacha. Manas, buddhi, ahankara of all living beings together is Ishvara, the cosmos. Bhumi, rapo, nalo, vayu, kam mano buddhirevacha. Bhumi, earth, water, fire, wind, all those things, manas, buddhi, ahankara of all living beings together is called Prakriti of Ishvara. The Prakriti operates. Prakriti operates based on Rajoguna, Sattoguna, Tamoguna. Finally, these two we can say Asuri Pravrti, Asuri Prakriti and Devi Prakriti. Asuri Pravrti, Devi Pravrti. There's a force of pull of Devas and Asuras happen within us. Positive qualities or negative qualities. Anger, jealous, hatred, or Shama, Dama, Titiksha, Uprati, Shraddha, Samadhana. So what should we do? Actually, we are not a doer at all. We are the witness. But what will happen? We identify. When we identify with the negative qualities, demonic qualities, then those qualities get strength. Asuras will get strength. When we identify the positive qualities, Devas will get strength. There's a story in Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, Sri Krishna is sleeping. Arjuna is coming and Duryodhana is coming to seek a blessing from Krishna for the Mahabharata war. Arjuna, being very humble, sits at the feet of Krishna, bowing down to Krishna's feet. Duryodhana sits at the top of the head. near the head. Shri Krishna gets up and sees Arjuna sitting near the feet. Arjuna, why you have come? Arjuna says, I have come here to seek your blessings for Mahabharata war. I want your support. Shri Krishna asks Duryodhana. Duryodhana says, I also want your support. Shri Krishna says, I can give my army or I can participate. Either you want take me or my army, but both will not come together. But if you take me, there's one condition. I will not fight the war. I'm just an observer. So then Arjuna chooses Krishna and Duryodhana chooses Krishna's army. Arjuna represents the forces of nature, Devatas, Daivi Sampat. Arjuna is son of Indra, Bhima is son of Vayu. All Devatas come in the Pandava side. Duryodhana represents the Asuras, Asuric side. So Sri Krishna, even though he is a witness, Sakshi, it takes the side of Pandavas. He doesn't take the side of Kauravas. What is the principle behind this? What's happening here? We are a Sakshi. We are the witness, like Krishna Paramatma. But the moment we take the side of negative qualities, suspicion, fear, guilt, anger, we'll give strength to asuras. The moment we take the side of positive qualities, karma yoga, seva, love, compassion, we take the side of devatas. That's why Sri Krishna says, when jiva, this individual consciousness, identifies with the asura or devatas, there's no individual doer. There's forces of nature called daiva and asura. They are actually creating positive thoughts, negative thoughts, emotions, disturbances, peace and love within us. And they are the forces operating. So Krishna or Bhagavan, Sakshi in us, witnesses what we are doing. When we work on the side of Devatas, he blesses us. More Daivi Guna can manifest to us. When we take side of Asuris, Asura Pravati, we get disturbed. So Bhagavan says, I will bless you. I will witness your actions when you work with Devatas, when you identify Devatas. When you are not there, when you are a non-doer, it's not you who did work. When you understand you are not a doer, I am the one who works through Devatas. That means Bhagavan himself works through the body-mind complex as Ishvara. When you work with Devatas or Devi Guna, Bhagavan blesses you as Sakshi. When you identify drop the doership, Bhagavan alone works through you. This is the summary. Now, when we start working with the Daivi Sampatti, we work with positive qualities, gradually our mind gets purified. Chitta Shuddhi happens. There's a deeper and deeper cleaning happens. That's when the qualities of the deity will appear in our life. Asuri Sampatti will come down. Kama, Krodha, Mada, Matsara, Moha, Lopa comes down. Daivi Sampatti, Shama, Adama, Tidiksha, Shraddha, Samadhana, Mumukshatva starts developing in us when we work for divine nature. Karma yoga, seva, love, compassion, forgiving people, forgive and forget, service. This will bring more and more divine qualities into our life. More and more divine qualities there. Bhagavan will bless us. This is what is Chitta Shuddhi. Any questions? Any questions for people on Zoom? Yes, Purnima. Kaumari.
No, Prabhuji.
or we do bad thing, both are actually not our doing. They are the forces of nature operating through us. Prakrideha kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasha. Prakriti alone operates. Sattva guna, rajoguna, tamoguna, Daiva and Asuri. So ultimately, with whom we identify makes a difference in our life. Purification happens.
Yes, Prabhuji. Instead of Prakriti, we should allow Purusha to operate.
Purusha doesn't operate. Purusha is a witness, Sakshi.
So via Prakriti only.
Via Prakriti only.
Yes.
Okay.